will do. For sure, that's gonna do it. Well, I'm pretty excited about this one though. I wanted to do this for a while. I just unboxed my new Bedrug, and that's what we're gonna install today. So before we go any further, huge thank you to RioTruck.com to sponsor today's upload by giving us the best Bedrug you can get. If you guys don't remember, I had that on my Chevy Colorado, and I'll tell you what, that's the reason why I'm going back to this Bedrug. Doesn't really matter what you haul, the Bedrug for me is the best, but for what I haul, Bedrug does everything. So I know a lot of people are against because it gets dirty and so on and so forth. And also it's a good way to protect my bed liner, my spray Chevy bed liner. This bed liner, it's mint, as you can see. So if you didn't see the video when I installed on my Chevy Colorado, that was probably one of the first video I ever did, like 4 or 5 years ago. I also got that from RioTruck.com. By the way, there's a link below, so if you want to get yours or any kind of truck parts, do it! The RioTruck.com is the place for it. I had the Bedrug in my Colorado for about 5 years. I haul everything you can imagine. I did renovation in my house, coal, you guys know I had a coal stove, anything, landscape stuff, everything I put on that truck with that Bedrug. And by the time I sold, it was still intact because you can also power wash that. What? Alright, so that's just a bit of information. I will talk more once we're done, but let's get to work. The first thing you need to do, of course, is clean your bed. But you guys remember, I made a video super cleaning, so it's pretty much clean. The only thing I need to do is all the dirt and debris from since I did it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like wipe it out, maybe vacuum, and then wipe it out with hot alcohol, so the bed's perfect for the install. Cuidado! Só que segura, ok? Não! Ó, se você cair vai baixar de dodói. Me and my son just clean as much as we could. You saw I used the compressor and rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna stress this as much as I can. My bed's pretty clean because I super cleaned this before, so nothing. What you can see here is the stain that doesn't leave. I try it even with like 303, a bunch of stuff. So over there too. Yes, buddy. Now I'm gonna just dry fit because you gotta make some cuts. And you put the Velcro, it's pretty much it. They're super straightforward. The only thing you need to do as far as putting this together is a zipper here on the bottom. You guys saw that I was putting on, and it goes all the way around, and you get a bunch of Velcros. To put along the side of the bed. I remember I did this once. It's still, believe it or not, it's still very fresh on my mind. And we're gonna start the install, right? Look, monster trucks. Look at what he's doing. Watch it.
Here we go! Here we go!
They sent you a bunch of Velcros. These are for the side and the back of the bed.
Go!
And this one is for the bottle, right? So we're gonna start installing this, and also they send you adhesive promoter because it's super easy to help this thing, especially the bottom though, to stick on it, and a couple on the sides. Let's get that installed. Here we go. Spark like this, and I'm just gonna install 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. It's pretty easy, it doesn't get any easier than this. The Velcro is already attached on the back. There's no way you're gonna miss it, where the Velcro goes. What I like to do though, I like to put the Velcro here and then lay down everything, instead of putting there and try to figure out where that goes, you know what I'm saying? Not nice. I don't know what it is. Look at this, dude. So much better. Dude, this reminds me a lot of the Colorado. This, it's coming to my standards. So much nicer, so much better. As you can see, my son was playing here. As you can see, his monster. This is probably 10% of his monster truck collection. He was a huge help. This is like making memories. I'll never pass that. A good time with my son. This is memories, and he was playing, and that's one of the reasons why I like the Bedrug. So more comfortable to play on the spray bed liner, and also I'm saving the spray bed liner for the future. One day I'm gonna sell the truck. Still is gonna be super clean underneath, and dude, look at that. The quality of this thing is just like insane. So you have to cut those hooks. So if you want to, I cut the 4 corners. Everything goes super well. If you notice, I put the Velcros. The Velcros, they are supposed to go on the tailgate. I put it on the back of the bed because in the Colorado I had some issues with those Velcros. I switched it up just to give it a try, but the long Velcros are supposed to go to the tailgate. That's the only thing different I did. Other than that, dude, this is awesome. Look at this. I can't spend the night here. Well, it's a little cold for that, but yeah, that's amazing, man. I'm so excited. Let me throw the bed cover on, and we're gonna call this one done and see how everything looks at the end. One more for the books. In today's cold, you're supposed to get some snow, but man, I am happy with this thing. It's like day and night difference. So nice. Oh, look at this. I have one Velcro here. So the other thing I forgot to show you guys, I cut it here so the light is exposed, as you can see, in both sides. Other than that, here's the piece I left here so you can see. Really easy to cut, and man, I could not be happier with this. I hope you guys enjoy one more upload As always, thanks so much RealTruck.com to make this video possible, making memories with my son. This is the best part ever, and thank you so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.